Hi guys, Shifter here. I'm gonna show you my Sobis server if I can find it. I hope. No? Okay, I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna show you my Subway server. Yep. And it may take a while to load. Yeah. This is you need jailbreak for this. Yeah, look at this. Hoverboard, I have 3. No problem. Can you look at my money? Yeah, thought so. Okay, I'm gonna buy like a million hoverboards. I think 100 is enough. Okay. Oh, 101, 105. Oh, 110. Oh, 115. Okay. Yeah. Look at this. Me. I got everything. It's okay. Except this ones, cause I cannot find those anywhere. Okay. Yeah, we can find. Okay, look at the boards. And my favorite one is this one. I know. I really don't like the boots, but because of this board, it's really amazing, guys. I'm gonna show you just in a sec. I'm gonna use Brody. Okay. And look at this. I'm gonna show you how I get all my money. Here. Should I buy? I think so, but I'll cancel. Okay. I've bought it. Okay. Stack of keys. I'm gonna cancel. But I get it. Cancel. But I get it. See it, guys? Yeah, the music is all turned off. That's kind of odd. Okay. I'm gonna play. Sometimes it's glitching like this. The music will stop. Sometimes it won't. Okay. Yep. Just gonna die. Okay. Still got tons. Oh yeah, look at this board. This board is amazing. Oh. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Good. Bye.